Yeah, hello, Goban here. Don't you hate it when you sneeze, and you shit yourself at the same time? It's quite common, and it's like this is what happens. You're just going about your everyday tasks. You're like, oh, I'm just having a stroll through the road, I'm just going to walk around here, and then you're like, achoo! Ugh, ugh. Oh no, okay, I'm going to have to get some new... Oh, that's not good. So, I think it's quite a topic where, it's quite inconvenient, but I just wanted to let you know that 1 in 3 people suffer from this. Thank you.